I'm looking for people that, first of all, are smart, but they have to be passionate. They have to be flexible. They have to understand the greater goals of the company as we break down our business model from define, understand, engage, execute, and refine. Have to make sure that they understand that there is a culture in our business. No person is any better than anyone else, but they have to bring value, and they have to bring a willingness to participate and make the agency a better place. If they don't have that kind of emotional connection with the business and with the other people, we have a very exhaustive process. When someone comes to interview here, they don't interview with just one person. They usually interview with 7 or 8 people over the course of a couple of days. We want to know what they think when they wake up. We want to know what they think over lunch, dinner, between meetings. You get a great sense of whether or not someone fits or not based on how we are as a culture. Are they going to be a part of the culture? Because anyone that's not, they're not part of the greater good of the business. I think the most difficult lesson to learn is that sometimes things happen that are completely out of your control, no matter how much you plan, no matter how much insight you have. I mean, our business process is based on insight and strategy. When you work with great companies, they want to make sure that you understand how the process works and how you're going to connect with their target audiences. Not only with them, they're a brand, and Sanders Wingo is a brand. I think the hardest thing is the uncontrollables, and you have them all the time, but you have to get beyond that. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that we don't have angst and that we don't have issues from time to time, and we're not concerned about where things are going as a business, because you have to be. And if you don't, you're going to find yourself in a very difficult situation. I've been here almost 27 years, and there's been lots of ups and downs. Thank God more ups than downs, but there's been plenty of both.